Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing a beautiful 1963 Ford Thunderbird. This particular model, two-door hardtop, Z code 390, with all the bells and whistles. So we'll take a little bit of time today and preview her so that way you can understand as you go through the decision-making process whether this is a lady you could see parked in your driveway. Acquired locally from Myrtle Beach area, this car has been fully restored. To a very high level, as you can tell, indicated by the luster and shine of the paint, all of the stainless trim work, bright work. It's absolutely stunning. Please don't make fun of the Toyota Prius and the reflection. Today we're concentrating on Thunderbirds. So 5 matching Kelsey Hayes 15-inch wire wheels wrapped in Coker Classic tires. Look at the chrome on this. Absolutely beautiful. I know what it cost to re-chrome these bumpers, and be thankful that they're already done. I've got the key in the trunk, so that way as we explore that area in just a moment, I won't have to fumble. So she's 4,300 pounds of just pure Ford sexiness and comfort. This red is absolutely stunning. See reupholstered bucket seats. Tilt-away steering, which is standard. Power windows in the console. It's part of the space age cars. See aftermarket AM/FM cassette deck. All the weather stripping has been replaced as well. Four-passenger seating. White headliner. This has four-way or four-wheel power-assisted brakes. And power steering as well. Absolutely beautiful. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Pretty close. This car has a Z code and a VIN number which indicates, if I'm not mistaken, a 340 horsepower, 390 cubic inch engine. This engine has been rebuilt, as has the transmission. And everywhere I look, I see new components from the restoration.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117,
does have an upgraded 4-barrel. Looks like a Holly dual feed. Which again, no harm, no foul there. There's the power steering reservoir. Nothing like a big block. Attention to details. Very high. I'm fighting the rain, so you'll see a little water here and there. Very well done. There's the original trim tag. You can decode that. It's also located in the photo album. You can request the high resolution images. And our idea here for this video is full transparency. We want you to see exactly what sheet is, good, bad, or indifferent. And there's a remote mirror for the driver's side. Put the steering wheel in the proper position, so she'll start. Fuel gauge, temperature gauge, 75,000 miles or so. Believed to be accurate. I do not have documentation. Turn signals here. Horn. There's the radio. He said developed in the last year, these 4 little cracks in the dash pad. You know, let the choke settle down. Go through the windows here. That was me. This window operates only at that window. It does not operate off the master switch. There we go. Let's go out here and listen to the engine. Mufflers, those are a little bit louder than I would expect. Boy, does it sound good. Sounds good to me. Original headlamps. This is a bumper guard here. Not everybody likes the looks of those, so it's on the front. We'll go on the front bumper there. That is included if you like it. There's a fifth spare. That out. I think it will come out. I haven't had the opportunity to do that as of yet. Maybe we can do this. Then we'll go for a ride. Well, I hope the paint shows as well in this video as it does in person. And last but not least, the console. Jazz tapes, some other miscellaneous pieces, bulbs, and whatnot. Let's do this. Let's go for a ride. So 3-speed. Well, it looks like there's another dash. You know what? Now that I think about it, I forgot to mention this car has an overdrive automatic transmission. You see the 2 extra dots there. I had noticed on the linkage an extra cable, and that reminded me, he told me that he had overdrive transmission for this car built and installed instead of the C4. So here at our main dealership, where I've been now 20 years. There's Old Glory flying high. 20, making videos such as this for our beloved customers all over the world, really. Expect overdrive here in just a second. There she goes. Wow. This car has a lot more power than I had expected also. Typically, these are a little bit cumbersome. Not this one. There's some kick down. Really just don't expect this kind of power for these big luxury cars. You expect more like a Cadillac, but boy, this really moves down the road well. You can also see how well mannered it is. You don't have to work hard at the steering wheel to maintain. What a beauty. Transmission, he told me, was just over $4,000. Stops well. Kick down cable, wow. Almost seems like it wanted to chirp the gears there in a second. So great, I hope you've enjoyed this walk around video here, this 1963 Thunderbird here at AutoWorld of Conway, where we always have good cars for good people.